What'd they do?
Okay, so there's a long story behind this.
When the officer arrived, the manager would explain exactly how the scam worked. She would describe how the scammer went to extreme lengths to forge documents, all for a free couch set.
We require that they email over an awards letter or check stub, a utility bill or a lease, and their ID.
Okay.
Okay. So, we deliver the stuff to this address on Kester. There's a black man there. Not this guy, because once the guys got to look and they realized it wasn't him, but it was a guy that looked similar to him. Anyways,
Okay.
So 2 days later, we the payment comes due for the very first payment. I call the guy's phone number, and this guy answered the phone, and he's flipping out like he has no idea what we're talking about. He don't even live on this side of town. Blah 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 blah. So come to find
you
out,
always go to the opposite side of town to do your stealing.
exactly. Well, and then this is the thing. So like him and I start talking. He's like, "Look, ma'am." He's like, "I'm 40." Blah 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 blah. He's like, "I don't get Social Security." He's like, "I don't live at this address," and he like showed me on this video his address where he lives at.
Okay.
So anyways, I don't know how the hell this lady does this, but there's the awards letter. And the only reason that I caught it was because the more I got to looking into the lease, then I realized in the lease where she sent us the lease, she forgot to take her name out of there and put his name in it. This signature here, which is supposedly the Richard Jackson guy, this guy, doesn't match our delivery. Like this was when it was delivered. So she made a bogus awards letter. This is a lease, which I know you can get leases offline. Those aren't nothing. But what blows my mind is...
Is this the lease letter that she... Okay.
And you have the awards letter.
Yeah.
And then there's an AES bill, which is the electric bill.
And this guy's name?
Yeah. How the hell she did... How the hell did the electric bill go? I mean, look. There and there. Okay, so the story gets even better yet. One of our old customers calls us, and she's like, "Hey, Jess, it's Lindsay." She's like, "I have a question for you." I was like, "Yeah." She goes, "Can you tell me if," she told me the girl's name, "if she used me as a reference to get furniture through you guys?" And I'm like, so I typed this girl's name in, and I'm like, "No." I was like, "I don't even have her as a customer." She goes, "Okay, well, she lives at this address," and then she gave me this address, and I'm like, and I just so happened was in this guy's account, and it clicked in my head. I'm like, well, that's his address. She's like, no. She goes, Jess, she's like, I guess she's known for doing identity theft. I guess she's on probation in Kettering. So the girl called me because she was flipping out because the Samantha chick had texted her a couple days ago wanting to use her as a reference. And she's like, no. So she just called me to see if she did, and I'm like, no. So Lindsay ends up going into this whole long story about this Samantha girl. She's like, and now she's trying to sell my stuff because Lindsay called me back this morning. She's like, Jess, she just tried to sell me your furniture. I'm like, she's what? She goes,
What's the total on the furniture right now?
Oh, Jesus. Okay, give me a second. I can get it.
I thought I saw.
So this is the cost of it, and that's how much she's paid me.
Okay.
But it was underneath his name. So when we delivered it to apartment A, which is on the left-hand side. She lives in apartment B right across here. So she had us deliver it to a vacant apartment and move the shit over to her apartment.
Okay. Are these copies for me?
I can make copies. Actually, here, I'll just...
Yep.
Riverside Police, last chance. We're going to kick your door open.
Watch your radio.
You don't need that.
These shoes are too sweet for this. Well, don't hurt your knee.
That sounds like a lot less power.
Oh, it is a lot less.
Why don't you just call an engine and have them force it?
We got the tools at the PD though, don't we? You said you heard people talking. We radio Dayton, see if we
Nope, there it goes. There it is.
Yeah, we gotta go. We gotta go. Where you at? Step out with your hands up now.
Rough with me, bro. You don't gotta be rough with me, man.
What the hell?
Why you guys being so rough with me, bro?
You just opened the door for us.
Damn. So it doesn't mean you gotta rough me up?
Ain't nobody roughing you up.
Yeah, you're being rough.
Drop your cigarette so don't get burned, please.
I'm not gonna drop it on my carpet.
So, anybody have an idea what's doing the largest deer that's jumped into a wastewater tank?
Put your palms together like praying.
We're closing out the fire
Pulling away.
I'm not pulling away, I'm big. I'm big.
Don't know it at all. How's the fire department handling it?
Riverside,
Relax your arm.
214.
Your right arm.
Right.
Relax it.
You can cancel fire.
You are tensing up.
I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
I'm not tensing up. Can you stop yanking my wrist, please?
You want another set of cuffs?
What the fuck? Please, I'm big. Please, I'm big. Can you please do it? Please.
I'll do it. Come here.
Thank you. I need my purse right here. Can you call my sister,
We'll
please?
handle it. Okay.
Please.
No, no, no. I'll put 2 sets on you.
Can I put my shoes on?
Yep. Hold on.
They're right over there.
Can you lean over a little bit?
Nobody else is here.
Can you? There you go.
That's my daughter
I
lives
need.
here too.
Are you able to lean just a little more? There you go.
Go into the house.
They got to clear it and make sure nobody else is here.
We got search warrants. Search
Yeah, I know. I just kicked my door down, so I got it all recorded.
Here. I'm gonna double lock you so
Yeah.
don't tighten up.
Monday morning quarterback guy.
Yeah.
There's a couple things we could have done to get.
Yeah, well,
get
this
easier.
wasn't
One
cool.
could
This
have been-
wasn't cool either.
One could have been like, hey, come here, we do it all by consent. The other could have been,
Yeah.
we have a search warrant. All right, we're gonna
Okay.
get it in and open the door. I appreciate it's all recorded. We've got it
Yeah.
recorded.
Do you have? Where's your tennis shoes?
Right over here. The white ones under. The white
grab
tennis shoes right there.
We'll grab them. Okay.
Charles, what's your soch?
They're right there. I need my door locked. I can't. Not in this neighborhood. Please.
I got you. We're gonna go right out here.
I need
I'll
my
grab it,
door
I'll grab
locked, please.
Well, they're not done.
Okay, well I need my door locked still.
We'll make sure it's taken care of. And I'm in uniform, so I'm not even sure what the situation is. To be honest. Here, step over here. I gotta unlock this.
I really need my door locked.
Well, I promise. I promise you.
They're right by my TV.
You have my word. I'll handle it. Okay.
Please lock my door.
Yeah, let's let him. He's good to go. Got some questions for you. Can I talk to you? Is that a yes?
Yeah.
I'm not saying this to be disrespectful, but can you read right there? What does that say?
You have the right to remain silent.
Okay. I would like to get your side of the story, but I can't force you to do that. That's up to you. It's up to you.
Okay, this guy, Richard
Uh-huh.
we gamble together and stuff like that. And, he came over one day and he wanted to, we was trying to get him something from Rent-A-Center. And he told me to order it, and then, as soon as they delivered it over there, he didn't answer the phone or anything, and then he calls me threatening me, saying he's going to beat me up and all this other stuff, and this was just a couple of days ago. And I got it on my phone where he called and all that stuff.
Why didn't you call the police?
It's not like he knew I had it, and he came over and did it. How else would I have any of his stuff? He did his information,
Well, you forged some documents.
I didn't forge any documents. He did those.
You took your lease agreement from here on Kester Avenue.
He did that stuff.
You left your name on a part of the document.
He did that stuff, though. Okay, I might have let him, but he did that. And you can ask.
What do you mean you
let?
Why would you let him if it was all in his?
Because he said that he was trying to get this stuff to sell it.
It doesn't make it. But did you or did you not reach out to Lindsay to try to sell it yourself? Did you try to do that?
No, I did not. No, I did not.
Why would she lie about that?
I don't, because she's a lying. She doesn't even know me.
How do you think we even?
She doesn't even know me like that.
Well, you do know her.
No, she knows of me. I don't like that.
So how do you think we got to this point?
Of course she's going to say anything she can.
She's the one who told Riverside or Rent-A-Center that something weird was going on.
Yeah, she was probably high too. Yeah. Look at your source.
So let me tell you something that doesn't make sense. If this was all concocted by Richard, right?
It was both of us, but he knew that I was just helping him get it.
But why wouldn't he? But why wouldn't he?
How else would I have his information? How else would he submitted his ID and everything?
But why wouldn't he just do it himself? Why does he need you?
Because he don't know how. He's not computer literate.
So you did know that you were ripping off Rent-A-Center.
No, I didn't rip off nobody. I didn't rip off anybody.
But you did.
They delivered it here. Okay? They delivered it here. It's not in my name, and I didn't forge anything. That's what he did. So, that's on them.
The signature on the Rent-A-Center agreement, we compared the two, it didn't come from him. Did you help him by signing that?
I did not sign anything.
Oh, okay.
No.
You understand your story is just ridiculous, right?
Man, this is all ridiculous.
Right, but you did. But it's ridiculous because now you're caught.
So he's allowed to call and threaten me and everything else.
Why didn't you report?
And you guys.
So why didn't you report that to the?
You guys believe
why
the
didn't you
damn dope fiend.
Why didn't you report that to the police?
You guys believe Lindsay Summers a damn dope fiend.
Did you call and report that to the police?
I think
yes or no?
I want to talk to my lawyer.
Will you just see if we can make up physically? Hi. You're Jenny?
Yes.
Okay. What's going on today?
Nothing. I was telling my supervisor nothing's going on, and she told me that I seemed out of it, and I was like, I'm tired. I work 2 jobs. Like, it's Friday. Like, I have to go to my other job, my yoga studio, and clean up and go to work.
Sure.
That's it.
That's understandable. Okay.
And that was it.
Okay.
And that was it.
Did you physically go after anybody? Did anybody physically go after you?
They just, I just kept asking them, like, what's wrong? Like, I didn't do anything. Like, what's wrong with it? And I just kept pleading to them. I was like, I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
Okay.
And that was it. But it wasn't anything like me being aggressive to them. Or at least I didn't think it was being aggressive.
Did anybody put their hands on you?
No.
Okay, and you didn't put your hands on anybody else?
No.
Okay. How much sleep did you get last night?
I got 8 hours.
You got 8 hours? What time did you start this job today?
It would have been at 7.
So 7 in the morning.
So when I woke up, it would have been 7. By the time I got here, it would have been 8.
Okay. So, and then you work, what, 8 to...
8 to now.
8 to now? Okay. All right. Has this ever happened before? No. They've never approached you?
No.
Okay.
Oh, this is new.
Okay. Have you had anything to drink?
No.
Okay. Are you somebody that does drink alcohol?
Occasionally, but not today.
Not today, okay.
No. Especially not because I'm working.
Okay, so that's never something like you would
No.
go on your lunch break and maybe have a drink or anything like that. Okay.
No.
What about any type of like medicine you're on or anything like that?
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay.
Nothing.
So you just feel tired?
Could be, but this is every Friday. Like, this is something.
Do you have days off? What are your days off?
No.
You
I
don't
mean,
get-
I'm Monday through Friday, and then so when I go and clean at the yoga studio, it's Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So it's not like it's just today.
Okay, so you just feel overtired.
I mean, I feel normal.
Okay, this is
Yeah.
this is your normal.
Yeah.
Okay, you don't know why they think you. Did they say anything as to why they thought you looked maybe not abnormal?
No.
Like you didn't fall asleep at your desk or anything
No.
like that?
No.
Okay. Would you tell me if you had anything to drink and if I didn't tell your boss, just so I know medically what I'm dealing with?
Yeah.
And you're saying no alcohol, no type of drugs or anything like that?
Yeah.
Yes, you have or no, you haven't?
No.
No, you haven't. Okay.
No.
Okay. You do seem a little off to me talking to you, but I don't
In
know
what
you.
way?
You seem a little like slow to respond, and your eyes are very glazed over. Were you crying at all?
Yeah, I was
Okay.
crying
Okay.
because of what they accused me of.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I didn't even ask. How old are you?
I'm 32.
Okay, so you're 32. So you haven't had anything, and you think this is more of a misunderstanding?
Yes.
Okay. How did you get to work today?
By myself. I'm like coming to here regularly. Yeah.
Okay. And you didn't drive or anything like that?
I mean, I drove.
Oh, you drove. You did
yeah,
drive.
of
Okay.
course.
You drove
That's what I'm
yourself
trying
here.
to tell you. Like, I drove
Okay.
here normally.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I've got to talk to my partner. This is kind of I got to make sure nothing criminal happened. I don't think anything did. Okay. Then it's going to be more of an internal thing with your workplace.